Okay, so this is number 2, a very straightforward basic problem. Here we're given a piecewise function. All a piecewise function is multiple functions linked together with, obviously each function operates within a different domain of that function combined together. But anyways, if you want to do f of 2, we have to look over here at our domain values and see this is when x is less than or equal to 0. This is saying when x is between 0 and 3. Aha! 2 is between 0 and 3. So we know it's just the constant function 4. So just for clarity, if they asked you f of 1, you would still say 4, right? If they said f of 2.5, you would still say 4. Anything between 0 and 3. If they said the f of 0.1, you would still say 4. Because any value between 0 and 3 is going to have that constant value 4. On the graph, is just going to look straight across horizontal between 0 and 3. Okay? Now, f of 0. Well, the key thing is we do not want to use this 0 because this x is greater than 0, not equal to. Here is where x is less than or equal to 0, so we have to use this function here. So for f of 0, you would say 0 cubed, which is 0. But just for clarity, any number less than or equal to 0, like f of negative 1, you would plug it in here and you do negative 1 cubed and get negative 1. F of negative 2 would be negative 2 cubed, which was negative 8, and so on. So anything less than 0 is going to be cubed. That's what it's saying. All right, finally we have f of 4. Well, any value greater than or equal to 3, we plug in here. So let's see here. 2 times 4 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11, right? Yeah, if I plug in 4, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3. So you made a little mistake there, so be careful about that. But just for clarity's sake, if they said f of 3, we would also put it in here, not in here, right? F of 3 is not 4. F of 3 would have been 2 times 3 plus 3, which is what? 6 plus 3 is 9. So this function, we know it's a constant 4, and we'd have open circles at each end from 0 to 3. Then it would jump up here and be a solid dot at the value 9, right? And this would be a line going up like that, a line straight across between 0 and 3. And then over here, 0 is 0, and a cube function would go like that. But anyways, hopefully you understand how to plug in and do piecewise functions. So just for extra clarity, if I said what's f of 5, you would put it in there and get 13, right? Just a double and triple check there.